subset and superset. Set A, this is set A. Set A is a subset of another set if all the elements of A are in B. Set A is a subset of another set B if all the elements of A are present in B also, right? A and B, they can be equal sets also. Like for example, we have A is equal to, let us say, A, B, C, and B is equal to A, B, C, D and E. Okay, see here, all the elements of A, B and C are also present in B, right? A, B and C, and there are some extra elements in B also. All right, in this case, A is called as a proper subset. All right, and we denote it as A is a subset of B. Okay, this symbol represents subset. A is a subset of B. Okay, and what is superset? B is a superset of A. All right, B is a superset of A. We represent that as B is superset of A. A is a subset of B. B is a superset of A in this, right? All right, so subset and superset cannot be explained separately, right? Now I hope you understood this. Okay, what if we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is also equal to 1, 2, 3? Are these two equal sets? Yes, they are equal. See, A is a subset of B, right? All three elements of A are also present in B, whereas B is also a subset of A, right? In that case, A, we represent it like this. A is a subset and equal to B, or B is a subset or equal to A. All right. Now, we have an example here. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Let us check whether A and B, or whether A is a subset of B or not. See, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And what is B? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is extra there. So can we say A is a subset of B? Yes, A is a subset of B because all the elements that are present in A are also present in B, right? Okay. Can we say B is a superset of A? Yes. All right. Now let us check whether C is a subset of A or not. See here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 elements. In C there are 5 elements. Is C a subset of A? No, C is not a subset of A. C is a superset of A. Alright? Understood? A is a subset of C, but C is a superset of A. Alright? I hope you are able to understand this.